Every morning, an old golden retriever named Max walked to the same bus stop. He'd sit, wagging his tail, waiting patiently as buses came and went. Years ago, his owner, a retired teacher, took that same bus to the park. But one morning, she never came back. Still, Max showed up every day, rain or shine. Commuters began to notice. Some brought food, others stayed to pet him. One morning, a young boy sat beside Max. He said, "Don't worry, old friend, I'll wait with you." From that day, the boy and the dog waited together. Sometimes loyalty isn't about time, it's about love that never forgets.